Alright, today we're working on the Oliver 1800, and we got the thermostat in, and that little extra coolant line that comes down for that. Alright. I got 5 of the fuel injectors put in. I got one more left to go, and got to finish plumbing that. So that's about it for today. We'll get those injectors put in, and then it looks like the exhaust manifold might be next. That hose that goes from there to there. And then we'll finish up this side. And then we'll come over here and put the intake on. But we want to get that, I don't know, I got to get this fuel tank back in too. I guess we have a good sending unit for it over here for the fuel gauge. There it is. So we'll just keep working on it every day until it gets done. The cattle got moved today back over to the south pasture. I wasn't here then, but I see they're there. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.